What's going on, guys? We're back here at Iams. I know what y'all are thinking, Iams again, but how's this for an intro?
Got one.
Black rat.
Yeah, good old female. Always camera.
She loves you guys. She is a beaut. Hey, girl. Is it a girl?
Yeah.
Amazing. I love that, just pure white.
Underneath the jaw.
Yeah.
And we didn't even have to go cliff climbing for this one.
Nope. But you gotta go cliff climbing for the big ones. That's what you have to do.
Okay, yeah, we're still gonna have to go cliff climbing.
Yeah. So.
Hey, what kind is that?
Black rat snake.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Harmless. And she's burrowing into my hands. But not biting me, so that's a good sign.
Shall we release him over by the wall Rob said there should be a rat snake at?
Yes, we should. Here's your rat snake, Rob, over at the wall. Alright, we're gonna release her right up in there.
Okay. Make yourself at home.
Maybe she'll chill out. And she's probably already been over here before anyway.
Probably. Anyone else up?
Right? Be funny if she found a buddy. Well, since that was found on the tracks, are we saying tracks are good for today?
We already flipped that entire side.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, we didn't flip the other side, we saw the black racer.
True. Let's go find that black racer.
Right. So, the reason we're back out here today is because we had some rain come in. It didn't last that long last night. And I wanted to put the theory to the test, because if you guys remember that day when I found that the first time I found that worm snake, basically the same conditions, and we did all right. So, I figure if it happens 2 days in a row because this rain brought in another warm front, then it wasn't a fluke, it was actually a pattern.
And we found a black rat snake earlier.
Yeah,
So.
found a black rat snake, but nothing else so far. But we'll see. The day's still young.
There's a black racer on that log. Yeah.
I'm having to be really, really careful. He knows I'm here, sees me. And if I move slow enough, do what a lot of people end up doing whenever they see snakes like this, is they rush them. But the thing about it is he's instinctual, so he's going to rely on his camouflage.
He's gonna bite you, man.
Oh, he's gonna bite me, there's no doubt.
Go now. You got him!
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Oh, that's a big boy.
This guy. Absolutely beautiful. Calm down, buddy. It's alright. It's okay.
He'll be fine.
He is warm. He is fat.
He's not biting you.
Yeah.
That is a huge racer, man.
Now these snakes, the colubrid family, these guys are racers are constrictors, correct?
Yeah, they're non-venomous.
Yeah, they're non-venomous. Don't make any sudden movements, all right?
I won't.
Now, even though they're non-venomous, still a bite from this guy is something
you do not want to take.
You really don't want to take. So, you got me in good frame?
Yeah.
This guy's a beaut. He's nice and warm.
I can't believe we got him. Well, you got him.
I can't believe how tame he's being. Nah, he's musking all over me, and what that is they'll just emit poop and this weird smell.
It smells like onion rings.
What kind of fucked up onion rings are you eating?
Black Racer.
Oh, he's so pretty.
Oh,
How did you catch him?
He did.
very carefully.
I was gonna say it was so fast.
Beautiful snake.
Now they are known to go for the face.
Oh. So that's probably nerve-wracking as all get out.
It really is. Now it's weird because these, even though they're constrictors, that when you feel them on their body, like the rat snakes, you can feel it's mainly just big muscle. This guy kind of almost feels just like a big inflated balloon. But there's a good chance that this is the one that we saw
Yesterday.
right over there in that spot yesterday.
'Cause
and I heard something.
the log was right there, and there's the burrow from yesterday.
Hey, buddy. Okay.
That's awesome. Thanks for letting me keep on you.
Oh no, you're good. You're good.
Aaron.
He's huffing.
Oh, I bet. That's a good image
Yeah.
right there.
Get some pictures of me with them. All right, we're gonna take some pictures and then we're gonna let this beautiful thing go. Okay, so while I was doing a 4K video of that black racer right there,
I went down and got that guy.
Aaron looked over and he was like, wait, isn't that another one? And we see this tail, and here you go, Rob. This is a black king snake.
And a black racer.
And a black racer. Now,
And a black racer.
this is the most aggressive king snake I've seen. What's great about this is also a female.
That's the biggest one I've caught.
This is also a female, 2 females, that's crazy. Ooh, girl. What's great is both of these snakes, see how she's rattling that tail right there?
Oh, yeah.
That is a defense mechanism because they'll have that tail in the leaves and it'll mimic a rattlesnake. The black racer right over here. Here, come over here and pray with me.
Okay.
No, you stay right there, Aaron, you're good. Now, that black racer does the exact same thing. And the cool thing about these guys is both these are at the top of the feeding chain when it comes to snakes. Like, they eat other snakes, especially this. That's why they call this guy the king snake. Like, this snake right here, this black king snake, will eat racers. And there are also,
There was another racer that went up into the woods. But
there was another racer that went up into the woods?
yeah, I saw his tail go.
Good God.
That's the one I saw.
Look at this face.
Yeah. Okay.
She is watching the camera. She is not a fan of the camera. But a black king.
Okay, for this one.
Here, get over here. I need you in both the things. Black king and a black racer.
This is a great day.
This is an awesome day. Now, there are speckled kings, but we do not have speckled kings. The difference between a speckled king and a black king is a speckled king has way more of those little spots right there on there. Way more. It almost consumes their whole entire body. It's ridiculous. They're so beautiful. And right here in this part of eastern Tennessee, we do not have speckled kings. We do have the black king, though. Sweet Jesus, we're hearing more in these woods.
Just seriously.
Dude, thank you for finding that tail. That's ridiculous.
Aaron's the good spotter.
Dude, but he's so monotone. He's like, there's a tail. Just like
I think I see another
last
one.
night, he was like, I just found a ring neck, and just walks away. I'm like, dude. Okay, now we're gonna let these guys go.
Right back where we found them.
There you go, girl.
That's the biggest black king I've ever seen.
Yeah, that's definitely the racer we found the other day.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's buzzing now. Yeah.
We're trying to figure out a way in there. There she goes. She found it. No? Oh. Hey, buddy. Look at this.
I love snakes.
Look at this. She's just chilling. She's just chilling. She's got her hooked around here.
Need help?
No. I'm just enjoying this so much. Bo, you said you wanted a snake to chill with you while you were playing video games.
Get a ball python.
I think we found a good one to do that with. Because she's just...
She loves you, man. Oh, never mind.
Alright, there you go, girl. Jesus, you are beautiful. And as soon as I saw that tail, I just knew Black King. And
It's a beautiful snake.
well, Rob, this isn't the spot where we had talked about the Black Kings, but
We found him.
There's your black king, bub. Alright, there's a black rat over here. I'm gonna try again.
Oh. Shit.
You get him?
Yep.
That was quick.
That's a little one.
Where's my snake hook?
There's the bites.
I got a black rat. He is
You want your hook?
Give me my hook.
How many is that?
That's 4.
Alright. Then I have a black rat snake.
He's a biter.
And
I'm gonna check over here real quick.
yeah. I had a feeling, check this spot.
Check the tree.
And sure enough, he is a beauty.
Yo.
Absolutely beauty.
Yep, there's another one over here.
There's another one over there. Can you get to him?
No, he's on the cliff.
Oh. He's in the same spot he was yesterday?
I'm shocked how cold he is. He must have just came out. Hey, girl. Oh. Oh!
Oh!
Right on the hand.
I saw that.
Yeah. She's a little defensive. I don't blame her. I would be too. Ow! No, you're fine. You're fine.
No,
you're
he's just
good.
trying to keep him off the path.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah,
I
no.
appreciate
It's
that.
just a little black rat snake. They're harmless. They're absolutely harmless.
Except when they bite.
Yeah, they are a little.
Where was she at?
She was laying right
Was that
over
what I
here.
held? Was that one of what I
Nice.
held
Right
earlier?
there.
Was that one of what I held earlier?
Yeah, that's the same species. Oh,
Yeah.
I see where she bit you now.
Yeah, you can see where she bit me.
The other one was just so calm.
I get it. You're pissed. Sometimes they don't. Ow! Look at that.
Another
Look
one.
at that.
Oh, she's going in.
She's going in. So much. Ow.
She's trying to work it out.
Okay. Let Lucas have a little one-on-one. Give him a little kiss.
Can we get her?
Give her a little kiss.
Yeah, Aaron.
Or a little bite like you did me. Look at that. Look at my hand.
Smile.
She is just... He got bit too. Oh, she is latched on.
Let go, dude. Oh, nope, digging in.
Get off my friend.
Hey, can you get off, please? That doesn't feel good. Ow! Stop it!
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on, girl.
Well, that didn't hurt too bad.
You guys know we couldn't go a full day without having to show you all slimy. Look how big that guy is.
We're gonna have to move him to put the rock back down.
Huh?
We're gonna have to move him to put the rock back down.
Yep.
Okay, bud.
So there's the rock that we just let that slimy go, and then boom, I flipped this one. He is super cool. Am I getting you on film, buddy? Yeah, I am. There you go. Pretty little dude. Alright, I'll let you go. Now I wanna see if I can get 3. Another big old slimy right there. I love these guys.
It's gonna be 8 days until this video.
God, it's gonna be... Whew. Alright, so the rain has started, but we're gonna hit up this other side of the track, see if we can get some ringneck squeezed into this snake-filled video before this rain comes down too hard. So Lucas, stop being a girl.
Screw you.
Guys, well, it's officially raining, so we're gonna call it no ringnecks. But if you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Check out one of my videos on the other side. Give this video a huge thumbs up for all the snakes that we found today. And yeah, I reckon I will see you guys tomorrow. I don't want my camera to get any more wet than what it is. So,
Check out my channel too.
oh yeah, check out his channel. Lucas, you guys know.